Once you unlock your smartphone and you came to know that your device is in safe mode, and you became worried that how and why your device goes in safe mode. And wait, first of all, what is safe mode? And one of the main question, how to exit the safe mode. So in this video, we will get all these problems answered, and we will also see how you can enable or disable or on or off the safe mode. So watch this video till to the end and let's get started. First, let's understand what is safe mode. Safe mode is a type of diagnostic feature that disables third-party apps from working, although pre-installed apps still work in the safe mode. So after getting the device in safe mode, you can figure out the causes that are causing problem in your smartphone, as the safe mode limits you from using all features of your smartphone. If the hardware and other things of your smartphone are alright and your device still runs slowly or it freezes, then in safe mode, if it runs smoothly, you can check out that after installation of which app the problem starts or the problem occurs. And if you find it, you can uninstall it and you can get a smoother experience in normal mode. Now let's see how and why your device goes into the safe mode. There are several reasons for this, which are the reason number one is maybe your device buttons are not working properly. Now the second reason is maybe the recently stored app is not allowing the device to open in normal mode. And the third reason is maybe the hardware of device is defected. And the fourth reason is maybe by mistake while booting up your device you have pressed the combination of those keys which makes the device go in safe mode. So now let's see how to put the device in safe mode. For different devices there are different methods to put the device in safe mode. Some devices may get in the safe mode by making power off to the device and then power on the device, and when manufacturer's logo appears, press and hold down the volume down key, and if done in the right way, the device will get in the safe mode. And some devices may get in safe mode by pressing the power button and then pressing and holding power off icon and then pressing safe mode icon. So if you want to know how you can put your device in safe mode, you can make a Google search. Say if you want to put the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro device in safe mode, we can make a Google search like this: how to enable safe mode in Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro smartphone. And now from the web pages and websites which are relevant, you can know the steps of turning on safe mode in your device. And yes, if your device goes in the safe mode, you can see a badging of safe mode written in the down left corner in the screen of your device. Now the final and one of the most important question, how to exit safe mode so as to access the full feature of your smartphone, or if you have fixed the errors in your device through safe mode, now you are willing to know how to disable it. So here's the solution. The easiest way to disable safe mode is to restart your device, and after your device turns on, it will be back in normal mode. The other method to disable safe mode is to go in notification bar and there will be a message safe mode is on, tap here to turn safe mode off. Click on that and the phone will restart in normal mode. This method is not available for every Android device, but some devices follow this method also. Hope you have known all about safe mode and what is safe mode and how you can enter it or exit it. So this was all in this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.